rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats.
Assalamu alaikum dostan aziz. Welcome to our journey across the borders. Today we find ourselves immersed in the enchanting Persia, Iran, a land steeped in history, culture and breathtaking landscapes. I'm Tahir and you are joining me on a new season of Persian exploration. From the bustling historic bazaars of the timeless architecture, each corner of Iran tells a story that echoes through the ages. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure through the heart of Persia. We are diving into the soul-stirring melodies of Persian music, savoring the rich flavors of Iranian cuisine, and exploring hidden gems that are waiting to be unveiled. So without further ado, let's dive into the magic that is Iran. Join me as we traverse through the ancient streets, meet incredible locals, uncover the secrets that make Persia a treasure trove of experiences. So are you ready for this adventure? Let's go! Season episode will start soon and I will bring one episode every week, that's my promise.